In this video, I'll walk you through how to update your Sony ZV-E1 camera to the latest firmware version 2.02. Before we start, check your battery level. If it's below 50%, give it a quick charge first. You don't want the camera shutting off mid-update. Or if you got a spare battery, swap it in so you're ready to go. Turn on your camera and first check the current firmware version, making sure it's below version 2.02. Press the menu button, go down to the setup icon. Inside the setup menu, scroll to the setup option group, all the way down. Inside setup option, select version. Here for the body, you'll see the version number. If it's below version 2.02, then you're due for this update. Now step off or back and scroll up to the camera icon. You want to format the memory card. Inside the shooting menu, scroll down and select Media Group and Format Item. Then select Format and Execute. When the formatting is complete, you can just step back out of the menu or simply turn off the camera. Now head over to your browser and type in sony.com/electronics/support. I'll also have the link down below for you. Once you're here, select Cameras and Camcorders. Then choose Digital Cameras from the list. Then select Interchangeable Lens Cameras. Then choose E-mount Body. Then select ZV-E series. Here, look toward the top and select Downloads tab. Scroll down and select ZV-E1. You should see ZV-E1 System Software Update, Firmware Update. Go ahead and select that. You might have to register if you haven't done it already right after. And then you'll be brought to this page. You can scroll through and read the instructions if you'd like. Here's the firmware update highlights. Or if you'd rather, just keep watching and follow along with me. Continuing on, at the top of the page, or scroll back to the top, select Download. Scroll through the agreement section until you see the download button appear again. Select Download again, and your computer will start downloading a file named BODYDATA.DAT. I'll be speeding up the video here and there just to move things along to the next steps. You can close your browser and go to your Downloads folder to find the file. With the folder open and the file ready, grab your camera and remove the memory card. Insert the memory card into your computer's card reader. If your computer doesn't have one, just grab your external card reader, insert the card, and plug it in. Allow it if there is such message. Open or double-click on the memory card drive, then maybe organize it a bit. Then drag and drop the BODYDATA.DAT file into it, or place it directly in the root directory. Once the file transfer is complete, close the window and properly eject the memory card. Now take out the memory card. Insert it back into your camera and turn it on. Make sure the label on the card is facing away from the lens. You want to go back to the version screen again, hit the menu button, down to setup icon. In there, scroll down all the way down to setup option group. Sorry about the glare, it's just for a moment. In that group, go to version item. In version, select body if you have the lens on. You'll see software update highlighted in orange. Go ahead and select that. Next, scroll through the text until you see the execute button highlighted or boxed. Press or select execute to begin the update. You just need to wait a couple of minutes. You'll notice the red LED light flashing in different patterns while the update is running. I'll go ahead and speed up the video again during this part. Once done, you'll hear a little click sound. And you'll see the message body update complete on the screen. Select OK one last time. You can now go back and check the version. It should show 2.02. There it is. You can also select the body and you'll see the software update button grayed out. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching and be sure to come back for the next video. Bye-bye.